Please, madam. This is an application for grant of regular without the case has been registered under section 302 by 34 IPC and 27 article. The petitioner is not the assailant of the deceased without.
The petitioner is not the assailant.
Not assailant without.
Let us see from the FIR.
FIR.
Your Vinod Mandal.
Yeah.
FIR माइक पर बोलिए मिस्टर नाजमुल हुदा.
जी yes. नोट 12/1/2012 को समय 11:30 बजे रात्रि में अग्निशास्त्र लैस होकर सोनू कुमार मंडल, प्रोफेसर विनोद मंडल, विनोद मंडल, अनिल मंडल, पवन मंडल, धारू मंडल, नवीन मंडल, शत्रुघ्न मंडल, सभी साकनान बलौर थाना मोरकाही जिला खगड़िया एवं 3 अज्ञात व्यक्ति सभी घर में
सोनू मंडल और शत्रुघ्न मंडल ने एक एक गोली मेरे पिताजी के सर में मार दिया और नवीन मंडल ने एक गोली बायां पजरा में मारा.
जी.
अरे साहब ये तो बड़ा डेयरिंग एक्ट है. इसमें कहाँ हम देखेंगे कि किसकी गोली से मरा है. आप तो कब से कस्टडी में ये बताइए.
ये हम 22/12/2020 से उतरे हैं.
क्या स्टेज है केस का?
अभी तो कोरोना की वजह से सब हेल्ड अप है, ट्रायल हो रहा है.
नहीं ये तो 3 आदमी पर तो गोली चलाने का इल्जाम है और केवल 6 आदमी हैं और आप सबके
7 आदमी एक्यूज बनाए हैं. कुछ
आपके प्रेजेंस की हिम्मत से दो आदमी ने गोली चलाई है और लड़के के सामने बाप को मारा है. इसमें बेल अभी आपको
Annexure 2 में अदर 2 persons में
have been granted bail.
उनका बेल हो गया है यहाँ.
अरे वाह.
Annexure 2 में देखा जाएगा.
बड़ा मुश्किल है ये तो. कहाँ बेल हो गया है?
ये Annexure 2 पेज 15 में देखा जाएगा.
अब ये हाई कोर्ट हमारा बहुत लिबरल है बेल ग्रांट करने में. But good. There is a reason assigned here, but otherwise I am not inclined to grant. I will be granting bail to you, Mr. Nazmul Huda, only in deference and in respect of the bench which has passed an order, not because I desire that you should.
उसके बारे में ये समझा जाता है कि उसका ऑर्डर जो है बहुत लिबरल है.
देखिए, heard Mr. Nazmul Huda.
अब्दुल मन्नान खान. Abdul Mannan.
Sorry. Heard Mr. Abdul मुंह से निकल गया. Heard Mr. Abdul Mannan Khan, learned advocate for the petitioner, and so. Stage क्या है केस का?
केस का स्टेज तो अभी पेंडिंग है, उधर है.
Heard Mr. Abdul Mannan Khan, learned advocate for the petitioner and so for the state. The petitioner seeks bail in connection with so. Though the petitioner has been named in the FIR as having participated in the occurrence, but he is not attributed with any overt act of killing the deceased. The act of firing is attributed to co-accused Sonu Kumar Mandal, Satruhan Mandal and Naveen Mandal, as a result of which the father of the informant died. The Land Council for the petitioner has drawn the attention of this court to an order passed by a bench of this court on 22/2021 in criminal miscellaneous number 39200 of 2020, wherein 2 other accused persons of this case, who have also not been attributed with any specific overt act of killing the deceased, have been granted bail, taking into account that there was a day's delay in lodging the FIR and that those persons were in custody since 22/2020. ये तो गलत है ना?
नहीं, 22/12/2020 है उधर.
नहीं, ये 20/2/2020 की कस्टडी में, ये 20/2/2021 का ऑर्डर है. ठीक है. they were in custody since 20/2/2020.
20/12/2020 हो गया.
लिखा है इसमें, जो मैं वही लिखूंगा.
नहीं, हमारा 12/1 में लिखा हुआ है.
आपने गलत ऑर्डर दे दिया है. आपकी कस्टडी नहीं बता रहा हूं मैं.
ओ सॉरी,
मैं कोर्ट ने जिसको बेल ग्रांट किया उसकी बात बता.
सॉरी.
आज करो. And those persons were in custody since 22/2020. Mr. Abdul Mannan Khan has submitted that there can be no distinction between the case of the petitioner and the other 2 accused persons who have been granted bail. the petitioner, according to the information provided to the petitioner, according to the information received by the Land Council for the petitioner, the trial has not substantially, even the trial has not substantially progressed. Considering the aforenoted facts and submissions on behalf of the petitioner, he is directed to be released on bail on his furnishing bonds in the sum of rupees 10,000, two sureties of like amount to the satisfaction of the court below. देख लेना, ट्रायल का नाम पर दिया है, to the satisfaction, किसकी satisfaction पर order pass करेंगे? मिस्टर
जी,
दोबारा अगर उसके लिए आएंगे आप modification के लिए तो मैं modify नहीं करूंगा, because I am granting you bail only on ground of parity, which the Supreme Court says that it may not be, this principle may not be invoked all the time. So be very sure about the court.
मोरकाही पीएच केस नंबर 6/2000.
Take information telephonic.
असिस्टेंट सेशन जज खगड़िया उधर है, एडिशनल सेशन जज 5th खगड़िया में।
सेशंस ट्रायल भी है,
सेशन ट्रायल का तो नंबर नहीं है।
आप पता करके टेलीफोनिकली बताएंगे, मैं आपको अभी बता रहा हूं, मैं मॉडिफाई नहीं करूंगा ऑर्डर। आप अभी पता करके टेलीफोनिकली till about 1 o'clock you have time, you can let the secretary know or the bench clerk know.
ठीक है।
All right, to the satisfaction of so and so. उसके बाद लिखना, अगर ट्रायल शुरू हो गया होगा तो वही वाला ऑब्जर्वेशन that if he doesn't appear on trial. All right. But the order shall be passed only when you inform.
नहीं, हम इन्फॉर्म कर देंगे अभी।
And don't send your junior, you come yourself so that he will identify.
खुद हम आकर के।
All right.
Section 25, Mr. Vinod Kumar Sinha.
आफ्टर लंच आकर खुद करो।
1 बजे तक कोर्ट चलेगा।
अब ला दो।
25, Mr. Vinod Kumar Sinha.
Petition for regular video lordship.
कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा।
Under
अब आप
section your lordship,
मिस्टर
section
कोर्ट मास्टर बोलिएगा, माइक पर बोलिए।
Petition for regular
ध्यान रखिएगा
video your lordship. 341, 323, 307 and 379 and 504 and 506 PC and 27 are.
दफा तो 307 ही है,
जी।
लेकिन आप पर मुकदमा कम से कम 8 है,
हुजूर
वो सब 392 का और किसका?
हुजूर पहले का है और मछली मारने के लिए झगड़ा हुआ है,
मछली के
इसलिए
लिए?
हुजूर
कब से कस्टडी में है?
हुजूर 19/3/2021 से हुजूर जेल में है।
देखते हैं अभी क्या है।
इन्फॉर्मेंट भी हुजूर क्रिमिनल है, लिखे हैं हुजूर
नहीं,
पारा 9 में।
ना ये बहुत ही बैड एंटीसीडेंट है।
हुजूर
गुण सागर यादव।
हाँ, वॉलंटरी सरेंडर किए हैं हुजूर 19/3/2021 से।
न, और जितने केसेस आपने लिखा है सब में बेल पर है।
जी, सब पर बेल पर है।
वेरी गुड। और ये सब 2012
जी, 5 का है हुजूर, 3 का है, 4 का है हुजूर।
आपने गोली भी चलाई है
जी हाँ,
और दूसरे को लगा भी है गोली।
जी हाँ।
तब कहाँ?
14 डेज डिले है, 14 दिन का हुजूर जांग में लगा है गोली। और
डिले 14 डेज है।
जी, 14 डेज है।
सब चीज तो आपके पक्ष में दिख रहा है, लेकिन अब साहब मैं क्या करूं, बड़ा देर है।
हुजूर लिखा गया है।
इस केस का क्या स्टेज है?
हुजूर तो नहीं कर सकते,
हाँ?
पता करना पड़ेगा हुजूर। हुजूर मोर देन 1 ईयर्स रह गए कस्टडी में।
और सारे केसेस में आप बेल पर हैं?
जी हुजूर।
देखिए, क्या नाम है आपका?
अशोक कुमार।
Heard Mr. Ashok Kumar, learned advocate for the petitioner, and Mr.
Sunil Kumar Pandey, my lord. Sunil Kumar Pandey.
and Mr. Sudhir Kumar Pandey,
Sunil.
जो भी है, for the estate. The petitioner seeks bail in anticipation, seeks bail in connection with so and so. Stop. He is said to have fired from his weapon, which hit the informant in his thigh. Stop. He is also alleged to have taken away rupees 25,000 from his pocket. Stop. The Land Council for the petitioner has submitted that there is 14 days delay in lodging the FIR, and that also without any explanation whatsoever. Stop. He is in custody since 19/3/2021. Stop. It appears from the bail petition that the petitioner was made accused in about 8 cases in the past, spanning over years beginning from 2003. Stop. In all such cases, comma, according to the information provided in paragraph 3 of the petition, comma, he is on bail. Stop. This court would like to know about the stays of the case. Stop. Let a report be called for from the court below about the stays of the case and list this matter on receipt of the same first week.
23rd of June. Section 26, Mr. Brij Kishore Misra.
Los, the case under section 366.
Louder, sir, louder.
Los, the statement of victim is not available. Los, it has not been given. Los.
Victim has returned.
Yes, yes. Los,
Call for the case diary as well as the statement or a statement of the victim under section 164 under sealed cover, and list this matter on receipt of the same on your date.
6th of July.
My lord. So regular bail application, my lord, for the husband.
Number कितना बताया?
28.
Yes.
It's a regular bail application, my lord, under section 498, 324 and other allied sections, my lord, dowry prohibition. My lord, it's a regular bail application. I have been behind the bars, my lord, since 2/5/2021.
2/5/2021.
21, my lord.
Milord, I'm appearing on behalf of informant, Milord. Milord, ये 2021 में हमको ले भी गए तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ हो गया था, ले भी गए, उसके बाद फिर मारने पीटने लगे.
हाँ वो ठीक है, लेकिन अब तो 1 साल से जेल.
Even as of now, my lord.
1 second.
My lord, I've turned
Milord,
away.
I'm ready to live with him, but with safety he will. If he
You
will
think
keep.
you think you have sent him to jail for about a year? You are opposing his bail. Huh?
हुजूर एक बच्ची भी है 66 months की हुजूर, और ये
Perhaps
मारते
have you
पीटते
mend
हैं.
your ways?
My lord.
We are granting you bail, but we are fixing the matter for some other date when we want to hear from the informant that you have taken her to her matrimonial home, that is to your house.
But
Are you ready for that? No.
I'm ready for that. I'm willing to keep my wife with full dignity and honor, my lord.
You are willing to.
I'm willing to keep her
All
with
right.
full dignity and honor.
All right, then I don't think you should have
But
any problem.
मारते पीटते
And
हैं,
you shall behave yourself and not behave like a ruffian.
I can give undertaking for that sake, my lord. I'm willing to keep her. She is my
You
wife.
can't give an undertaking. Your client has to give an undertaking. Heard Mr. Sumit Sekhar Pandey, learned advocate for the petitioner, and
उज्जवल भूषण, Milord.
Mr. Ujjwal Bhushan for the informant / victim / wife. The petitioner, who is the husband of the victim and is in custody since 2/5/2021, seeks bail in connection with so and so. Stop. The Land Council for the petitioner has begun his argument by making a statement that the petitioner is ready and willing to take back his wife to her matrimonial fold and give to her all the privileges which a married woman is entitled to. Stop. The Land Council for the informant also submits that the wife is ready to go and join the petitioner as his wife, provided the petitioner does not misbehave with her as he had done in the past. Stop. Considering the aforenoted stand of the parties and taking into account the period of custody of the petitioner, he is directed to be released 10,000. Stop. Should the petitioner be found to be misbehaving with his wife / opposite party number 2, it would be open for her to move for cancellation of his bail.
Obliged.
729, Mr. Rajkumar Rajesh.
My lord, FIR under
Mic,
section
mic.
392, not named FIR, my lord, nothing recovery, no TI period. The name of the petitioner has been transferred on the basis of the confessional statement of co-accused Rupesh Kumar. Whatever recovery
कब से
from,
कस्टडी में है?
my lord, custody 12/1/2021.
12/2/2021
No, 12/1/2021.
और आपके पास से कोई रिकवरी नहीं,
Recovery, no
और एंटीसीडेंट भी आपकी नहीं.
No antecedent.
देखिए, the petitioner, क्या नाम है आपका?
Mrityunjay Kumar.
Mr. Mrityunjay Kumar, learned advocate for the petitioner and so and so for the state. The petitioner, who is in custody since 12/1/2021, seeks bail in connection with so and so. The petitioner has not been named in the FIR, and his name has not named in the FIR. His name has transpired during the course of investigation in the confession of one of the arrested accused persons. one of the arrested accused persons, full stop. There is no recovery from the petitioner, full stop. Considering the nature of accusation and the period of custody of the petitioner, he is directed to be released 10,000. While saying so, the court has also taken note of the fact that the petitioner does not have criminal records.
Section 30